one of our best sellers in London. Located in London, Vauxhall Bridge Apartments has accommodations with a TV. Free Wi-Fi is provided. All units comprise a seating area with a sofa and a fully equipped kitchen with various cooking facilities, including a dishwasher, a microwave and a toaster. A fridge and electric teapot are also featured. A bowling alley is also available for guests at the apartment. Westminster Abbey is a 16-minute walk from Vauxhall Bridge Apartments, while Buckingham Palace is 1.4 kilometers away. London City Airport is 16.1 kilometers from the property. Westminster Borough is a great choice for travelers interested in shopping, parks and city walks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.